How to manage Google password on POCO M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Chrome app. After click on Chrome app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Scroll down and click on Google Password Manager and click on. After click on Google Password Manager, here showing you your password. If you want to manage Google password, click on Google password. If you want to edit, click on edit. So you will edit from here if you want to see. So click on this icon, you will see Google password from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can manage Google password on POCO M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.